Hey guys, you know what those are, right? That's right. Today's the day. Putting in new windows from where that tree went down. These, we've got these windows that they swing out, or had. This is the one that's broken. You can actually see the tree right there, what it used to be. But, so we cleaned up all the glass, best we can anyway. We'll probably have to vacuum once or twice more to really get it. But these windows, they haven't opened and closed correctly in a long time. They're just old, and so we're going to be putting in double hung windows. Then we can have, you know, a fan or a window AC unit if we need to. Plus just a lot easier to open and close and clean and work with. As you can see, here's one that we've already done. Still gotta, you can kind of see it. You can kind of see the light between there. We gotta take and caulk them in yet and stuff. But yeah, the garage windows are done, other than just finishing them out. And now the nursery. Here we go, guys. Does this go in from the outside or the inside, Paul?
Inside.
Okay.